So over the weekend, we got ourselves a nice spike in the Bitcoin price. We still got some bullish things happening in the crypto market. Today, we're going to talk about some of these developments that are happening with Mastercard. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and let's just get right into it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about what's going on with this Bitcoin price. We finally see that we got what we've been looking for over a long period of time. We've been waiting for this price to break the 200 moving average on the weekly. We finally did it this past Sunday. Now we're going to take a look at what we need to happen next for this price to continue to our next target of 30,000. So let's just get right into it right here, right now. But before we get into this Bitcoin chart right here, we're going to take a look at the data right here that says Mastercard to settle transactions for stable coins in the APAC. So global payment provider Mastercard is launching a stablecoin digital wallet integration with the Australian stablecoin platform Stables. Mastercard and Stables on March 20th have announced a collaboration to allow retail customers in the Asian Pacific region to spend stablecoins anywhere Mastercard is accepted. So we're still seeing more crypto adoption on the adoption side, so that's just good to see right there. Just wanted to bring that up in this video to say that, hey, more adoption of crypto assets are being adopted. It is USDC, so some people are not really happy with that, but USDC is something that is interoperable and is usable in the DeFi ecosystem. So this is nice for the Stables platform or the Stables app and USDC right there to be teaming up with Mastercard and getting some things going. So adoption is nice for Bitcoin right there. I mean, in crypto. So let's look at this Bitcoin price real quick. So see some interesting things right now. Right now, Bitcoin is kind of moving away from being connected to the stock market because we see that Bitcoin is going up a little bit. We can click to the SPX right here. We can see that that's been going down on the daily chart while Bitcoin's been going up. Pretty interesting. We haven't seen that in a long time, but whatever. Let's just talk about this Bitcoin chart. And the daily chart looks pretty interesting. We're not too oversold yet by some people's standards. This is oversold, getting above 70, but for me, we're not above 80 yet. This thing can still go a little bit higher on this daily chart. It is definitely still possible. We have this green line in here at 25,200. That's been resistance for a long time. That's the major level that we got above. Right here on this weekly chart, I don't even have it in here. Let me put it in here real quick. So the 200 moving average right here is something that we've been watching for a long time. We got back above it. Now, we were saying that when we get above this, we want to see maybe for sure a retest back down, and retest it would be the most bullish thing and the most safest thing to do, and then we can shoot from there, because right now we're just in the beginning. We see that we had nice volume come in, more volume than we had on previous days, not more volume than this downward spike right here, but we had a nice volume spike to push us above this line. That's good to see right there. And then so we want to see the price bounce. Whether this was manipulation or not, who knows, who cares. For now, let's see if we hold this 200 moving average in the next couple of days, in the next week. So the more we hold this right now, the more bullish things you get. When we look at the total, we can see that it's looking like it wants to get a nice bullish cross right here. To me, this is a nice cross right here to see on the weekly that the 13 is crossing above the 200. When we go to the daily, we can see that, yeah, it's also looking pretty nice. When we look at the DXY, this thing is also going down right now, and we don't know really what's going to happen. We have some news coming up this week with there's always news right now in the financial markets with the banks going down, but we do know that at least for the next year, there seems to be that there's going to be a lot of liquidity injected into the financial markets. We know that the price has been going down because the Fed has just been removing liquidity from the markets and drawing everything down to kind of cool off the market. That's their job. That's what they've been doing. And now we see that there was a print or I don't know, some money added to the balance sheet, whatever you want to call it, recently on the Fed. So things could get interesting in the next couple of weeks, but we're just going to keep watching this chart and listen to what they tell us. So if we end up coming down here and retesting this 200 moving average, which will probably be around where this 13 moving average would be on the daily, that would be a nice bullish scenario going forward. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what you guys think about this Bitcoin price right now, doing the Birdman money hands, because we're getting some interesting things that we've been waiting for a pretty long time. Let's see if they hold up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Check out my website, etcurrency.com. Make sure you check out the Hula Girl NFT project, and yeah, think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.